guys, I'm back for another very small part for my fireworks stash. I know I've been doing a lot of parts lately. But like I said, I mainly will be doing videos of each firework I get every week. Or fireworks if I get multiple or more. But here I have color bombs, and it's by Blackcat. And it's a total of 12 shots, like Zombie Smasher over there. But yeah, it's 12 shots, and Dave gave me this, and I know this fireworks store that they've known me for quite some time. Well, the manager does, so they give me pretty good deals. So I got this for 20 bucks actually. And let's look at the performance. So we have glitters, crackling, and color plus. Of course, it's a total of 12 shots, and the performance has everything you need. Color peonies, palms, willows, chrysanthemums, and brocades. I don't know how you say this word, so sorry. Sorry if you guys hate me on the comments about that. But yeah, this is a very small part from my fireworks stash.